What's up, it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video I did a 5 on top, I did a burst taper on the sides and back, and this cut came out real nice. I really took my time. Shout out to everybody because we are about to hit 1 million in a couple of days. It's going down. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I don't know if I said it enough, you know what I mean? Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for always sharing. Thank you guys for liking, for commenting. I love you guys. Alright, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. Alright YouTube, to start off this cut, my client wanted a 5 on top, so I'm going a 5 open against the grain. Using my Slimline Pro Li, I'm going to set in my ball line in a triangle shape. Using my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going to go up about 1 inch, and I'm going to keep that triangle shape in the process. With the 1 guard open, go up about 1 inch, and make sure you keep that triangle-like shape consistent. At this point, it's gonna round off, but you know, just keep that in mind. I like the fact that wall has a 1.5 guard because it makes it better to blend between the 1 and the 2. So right now I got my 1.5 open, and I'm just kind of flicking out at the top. Using my 2 guard open, I'm just kind of flicking out at the top, just getting some of that bulk off. With the 3 guard open, just adding some finishing touches to the top, getting it to blend just a little bit better. Putting back on my 1 guard open, I'm just cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 1.5. Closing up the lever on that 1 guard, I'm just cleaning up that middle line. Using the 1/2 guard with the lever halfway, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out the bottom line. Now notice how I'm using my corners and starting from that point and kind of flicking out. You know, I'm not taking anything off of the lineup part because we want to keep the lineup still dark. So make sure you work from the inside out. So depending on how zero gap your clippers are, you might have to use your liners to actually finish the work that your regular clippers couldn't. Right now I'm just doing some detailing, getting in areas where, you know, I see bulk majority of detailing, you want to make sure you use your corners as much as possible. So as far as the back goes, I use the same guidelines, the same steps that I take to do on the sides. I just apply it to the back. So right here, I'm just spraying some hairspray on my client's lineup. I'm gonna do it all around the hair, just so I can make the hairline stiff. All right, the stiffer the hairline, the drier the hairline, the more crispy the lineup will be. So I'm just gonna brush everything in place, making sure everything is nice and laid. this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. To purchase any tools you guys see me use will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Otherwise, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers!